Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to check your iPhone for viruses without any third-party software. And to do so, just go to your settings, and for the first thing, just scroll down to General and then go to your storage and then search for any app that you don't recognize. So if there is an application that you don't recognize or that you didn't install, just go and delete it. Maybe it's an app that installed without your permission, and maybe it contains viruses. So once it's deleted, the viruses will go away. Then go back to Generals and scroll down to VPN and device management. And here, if there is a profile, just delete it, or if it's blank like here, there is nothing, it's good, that's what we want. If there's any other profile, just delete it, okay? Then go back to your apps in the settings, scroll down, and then go to Safari. So it should be in the bottom. So scroll down a lot, and here you will find Safari. Then scroll down again and go to Advanced. And here, once you click on Advanced, go to Website Data. It's the first thing. And here you will find all the website that you used in the last 50 days. So just remove all the data in this website. And if there is any virus, it will go away. Now, for the last thing, go to your files, then scroll down in the browse section and look for files that you don't recognize. If you find a file that you didn't if you find a file that you didn't download, just delete it, and it's usually a zip file. And if it's deleted, if it contains a virus, it will be deleted right away. Then, for the ultimate solution, in my opinion, it's to update your phone's software. So maybe you have a problem with your software, maybe it's not up to date. So just go to your settings and go to software updates. You will have software update available if there is one that is actually available. So just click on it and it will be downloaded. Make sure you have enough storage. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.